Greetings and salutations, miscreants and sinners, jiggly tears, riders on the backs of purple tyrannosauruses, gentles and ladymen. Hi. Old pal Jiggly here. Gonna do a real quick taste test. Just left the dollar store and I had these by the register. This is intense fruit flavor licorice rips. So apparently you're supposed to rip it. Since I've only got one hand right now. Well, the package is nasty. There's two different color rips in that there package. They've got strawberry, which is the red. And then they've got green apple, which is the green. Oh yeah. The green's the winner. Oh yeah. That's real good. My diabetic toe is a-tingling. I have a young fan. I know, it's weird. I have a fan. Whose daddy told me that she watches my videos and likes it when I do taste tests. So I'm going to give her a shout out. So Maddie, if you're watching, hi. Tell your daddy to come to the dollar store and get you a bag of those. Those are good. And, well, that concludes the video for today. Thank you all for watching. Man, I need a haircut. Sorry, sidetracked. Thanks for watching. Y'all take care. We'll see you next time.